Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bigoven app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bigoven is a comprehensive recipe and meal planning app designed for home cooks and food enthusiasts. The app allows users to access over 500,000 recipes, create meal plans, organize grocery lists, and save favorite recipes for easy access. It also supports adding personal recipes, scaling ingredients, and generating recipe suggestions based on what's available in your pantry. Bigoven integrates meal planning and shopping tools to simplify cooking, helping users plan ahead and reduce food waste. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users praise the app for its clean interface, intuitive navigation, and extensive recipe database. Many enjoy the convenience of syncing grocery lists and meal plans across devices, as well as the ability to discover new recipes tailored to their preferences. The app is also appreciated for its collaborative features, allowing family members or roommates to contribute to meal planning. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While some content is free, premium features require a subscription, which may not be ideal for everyone. Occasional syncing or app lag issues have been reported, and some users find the free version limited in functionality compared to the premium experience. Additionally, the usefulness of pantry-based suggestions can vary depending on the ingredients entered. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Bigoven app may be worth using if you want an all-in-one solution for recipes, meal planning, and grocery management. It excels in convenience, personalization, and recipe discovery. However, if you're not ready to invest in premium features or want a simpler, offline-only recipe organizer, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.